Hello, students. Nowadays, we are studying the lesson packing. Uh, the packing from your book, main book, Beehive. And in our previous video, we had known that there were three characters, George, Harris, and author himself. The name of author is Jerome, Jerome K. Jerome. So you had already known that they were preparing to go on a trip, and before going to trip, they were packing. They were doing packing, and narrator was proud of his packing skill, and he said to Harris and George that he would pack, he would do packing. And when he was packing, both of his friends were sitting on a chair and sofa, and they were looking at him, and narrated was very irritated because he had forgotten where was his toothbrush, and he unpacks the bags many times, and then he found his toothbrush in shoe, and then he had forgotten to pack his boots. Then he again opened the bag, and he was so restless. And now, today we will continue this study. So, move on the next part of the story. Okay. So, when I had finished, George asked if the soap was in. I said I didn't care a hang whether the soap was in or whether it was not. And I slammed the bag shut and strapped it, and found that I had packed my spectacles in it and had to reopen it. What happened then? When I had finished it, the author said, when he had finished packing and he strapped the bag, then George asked, said that if the shop was in, have you packed the shop? I said I didn't care. And then, because narrator was very irritated, and because he had opened bag two or three times before, so he said that he didn't care or hang whether the shop was in or whether it was out. Care a hang means show no concern or show no interest. So he show no interest in George. And after that, he said that narrator said that I slammed the bag shut. Slammed means shut the lid forcefully and loudly, and he closed the bag quickly, forcefully. And then he said I slammed the bag shut and strapped it. And when he strapped the bag, he found that he had packed his spectacles in it. So his spectacles, his goggles, was in the bag, and then he had to reopen the bag again, and it got shut up finally at 10:05 p.m. And then he said after that, when he reopened the bag and he took out his spectacles from that, and then he finally shut up the bag at 10:05 p.m. And then there remained the hampers to do, and there remained the hampers to do. Hamper means the basket used to carry food and utensils. So their clothes and any many other things were packed, but now it is the turn of kitchen articles or the utensils and the food articles to be packed. So basket is remained to be to pack, and Harris said that he should be wanting to start in less than 12 hours time, and thought that he and George had better do the rest. And I agreed and sat down, and they had a go. And then Harris said to the narrator that there were only 12 hours to go to trip, to start the trip. They have only 12 hours. So he said to the narrator, you do rest, and we means the Harris and George, he said that they had better do the rest of the work means to pack the hampers, the basket, or the food articles and utensils also. Narrator agreed with them, and he sat down, and he led them to pack the hampers to baskets. Hampers, you know the meaning of hampers here, large baskets for carrying food. Okay. Now, next, they began in a light-hearted spirit, evidently intending to show me how to do it. And then George and Harris started packing of hampers, and they began a light-hearted spirit. And they had a light-hearted spirit means to be cheerful. They were happy to do that, and evidently intending to show. Evidently means clearly. They intending to show. They indicating or they intending or they want to show me means the writer how to do it. It means they wanted to show that they were expert in packing and they were doing better than the narrator. So they, in the light-hearted spirit, in very cheerfully, they were doing work. I made no comment. The narrator said that I had made no comment. I only waited. I only waited and was watched them. With the exception of George, Harris is the worst packer in this world. And I looked at the piles of plates and cups and kettles and bottles and jars and pies and stoves, and cakes, and tomatoes, etc., and felt that the thing would soon become exciting. Okay. Um, the narrator said that with the exception of George, Harris is the worst packer in the world. Harris is the worst packer in the world. He's very bad packer. He didn't know how to pack the things. So the writer said the worst. Worst is the superlative degree of bad. So Harris is the worst packer in the world, and George is exception. Exception means who doesn't follow the general rules. He was exception. George knows the packing, but Harris was the is the worst packer. And I looked at the pile, and then the narrator said I looked at the things they were scattered there, and he said that I looked at the piles of plates and cups and kettles and bottles and jars and pies and stove. There were many kitchen articles and cakes and tomatoes. And then he said that I felt that the things would soon become exciting. The scene and things, soon it would become exciting. How they pack all those things, it will be interesting. They started with breaking a cup, and they started with breaking a cup. First of all, they had broken a cup. That was the first thing they did. George and Harris did the first thing, and they had broken the cup. They did that just to show you what they could do and to get you interested. And they had broken the cup, and they just to show you what they could do, and how could they pack and get you interested. So writer says these words to create a interest in the story and to create a humor in the story. Then the Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it, and they had to pick out the tomato with a teaspoon. And what happened? The first they had broken the cup, and second what they had done, the Harris packed strawberry jam, his strawberry jam bottle on the top of the tomato. He put tomato, and then he put strawberry jam bottle on tomato. And what happened? Because the strawberry jam bottle was heavy, and that squashed means crushed, and the jam bottle crushed the tomato, and the juice of tomato came out, and then they had to pick out tomato with the teaspoon. With the teaspoon they had pick out the tomato with a teaspoon out of the bag. There were two things, and then it was George's turn, and he trod on the butter. And what the George had done, George he trod on means stepped on. You can see here, stepped on means he put his foot on the butter. I didn't say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table and watched them. And writer said that I was only watching them and taking enjoy, and they were doing very funny work. And Harris squashed the tomato with the jam bottle, and George put his foot on the butter. And what happened then, you can imagine. Okay, like here, he put his foot on the butter. Okay, next. It irritated them more than anything I could have said. So it irritated them. So these things, because the writer was sitting there and he was looking them, and he was smiling to see all those things, and it irritated them, and they both of the George and Harris, they irritated. They was unhappy. I felt that it made them nervous and excited. It made them nervous, and they stepped on the things. And what they do after that, they stepped on the things. They put their foot on the many things, and put things behind them, and they put things behind them, and they couldn't find them when they wanted them. They were doing a stupid job, and like a stupid people, and they put the things behind them, and then they searched the thing where that thing is, and that thing was behind them, and they packed the pies at the bottom. They packed the pies. What is pies? Pies is a bakery item. Like a bakery, you can see the pastry, the muffin, the pies, that is eatable. That like the samosa type. So they packed the pies at the bottom and put heavy things on the top. And what happened then, you can imagine, and smashed the pies in. They put heavy things on the pies, so pies smashed there. They upset salt over everything. They upset salt over everything. Upset means overturn. They overturned the salt bottle on everything. And as for the butter, I never saw two men do more with 1 and 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life than they did. And what they did with the butter, the narrator was very surprised. He said that 1 or 2 pence worth of butter. 1 or 2 pence. Pence is the currency. Like in here we can say the paise, 1 or 2 paise. So 1 or 2 pence worth butter. What they had done with the butter, narrator was very surprised to see. What they did? Uh, After George had got it off his sleeper, because George put his foot on the butter, and then butter pasted on the sleeper, stuck at his chappal or sleeper, and they tried to put it in the kettle, and then they wanted to put the butter packet into the kettle. It wouldn't go, but it wouldn't go in the kettle, and what was in wouldn't come out. They did scrap it out at last, and put it down on a chair, and they anyhow he put out that packet of butter, and then they put it down on a chair, and Harris sat on it. So funny. They put the butter packet on the chair and Harry sat on that. And what will happen? And it stuck to him from in behind. And they went looking for it all over into the room, all over the room. And they were searching that butter packet. And where was the butter packet? The butter packet was stuck on his pant from behind. And they were searching, they were looking for that packet. It is so funny, okay? And what happened after that? I'll take my oath. I put it down on that chair, said George, staring at the empty seat. And where was the butter? You know that. And George, staring at the empty seat, empty chair, he said, I will take oath. I put it down on the chair, that chair, but I don't know where it was now, where it is now. I don't know. I will take oath. I put it down on this chair. I saw you do it myself not a minute ago, said Harris. And Harris also said that, yes, yes, you put that butter on that chair. I saw you do it myself. I saw that myself not a minute ago, but where it disappeared. Then they started round the room again looking for it. And they were going here and there and round around the room, round at the room, and again looking for it. They were searching, and then they met again in the center and stared at one another. They were looking at one another. It is very strange thing where the butter had gone. Most extraordinary thing I ever heard of, said George. George said, it is most extraordinary thing. It is very strange. So mysterious, Harry said. Harry said, so mysterious. We put butter just a minute ago here, and now it has disappeared. Then George got round at the back of Harris, and then George go behind the Harris and saw it. Where was it? Why, here it is all the time, he exclaimed indignantly. And then he indignantly means indicating anger. He is showing anger. He exclaimed, why are we going here and there? Here it is all the time behind you. Where? Cried Harris, spinning around. He was turning around and he said, where? Stand still, can't you? Roared George, flying after him. And George went behind him and he said, stand still. Don't take round and round. And then he said, look there, behind you. And they got it off and packed it in the teapot. And after that, they got it off from the behind of the Harris, and they packed it in the teapot then. Okay. And so it is the end of today's paragraph, and now it is the time of Hindi summary. Okay. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप जानते हैं कि किस तरह से वो पैकिंग कर रहे हैं। जेरोम ने उन अपने दोस्तों को, जॉर्ज और हैरिस को कहा कि तुम रहने दो, मैं तुम्हें सिखाऊंगा कैसे पैकिंग करते हैं, और उन्होंने उसी के ऊपर छोड़ दिया कि हाँ ठीक है करो, और वो फिर करता है पैकिंग। और वो इस बात से नाराज़ भी है कि वो बैठे हुए हैं, वो तो कुछ और ही सोच रहा था, उनका बॉस बनना चाह रहा था, उनसे पैकिंग करवाना चाह रहा था, लेकिन खुद ही फंस गया, खुद ही कर रहा है। और फिर वो भूल जाता है कि उसका टूथब्रश अंदर है या बाहर है, फिर वो दोबारा खोलना पड़ता है उसे बैग, फिर वो जूते अंदर रखना भूल जाता है, फिर खोलता है, फिर अंदर रखता है। इस तरह से वो बहुत परेशान हो गया है। और फिर वो कहता है, जेरोम जो ऑथर है, राइटर है, वो कहता है कि व्हेन आई हैड फिनिश, जब मैंने पूरा कर लिया, पूरे बैग को बंद कर दिया, तो जॉर्ज ने फिर कहा कि क्या साबुन अंदर है, क्या तुमने साबुन रखा है अंदर? तो राइटर कहता है कि मैंने उस पर कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया, मैंने कहा मुझे नहीं मतलब अंदर हो बाहर हो, अब मैं नहीं खोलूँगा बैग को बार बार। और तभी मुझको ध्यान आता है कि अरे उसने अपना चश्मा तो अंदर ही रख दिया है। फिर उसको बैग दोबारा खोलना पड़ता है। बैग को दोबारा खोलता है, फिर अपने चश्मे को बाहर निकालता है और फिर बैग को दोबारा बंद करता है। और ऐसा करते करते 10:05 हो गए। और अब बैग तो पैक हो गया है, लेकिन अब किचन का सामान पैक करने के लिए रह गया है। हैम्पर्स, हैम्पर्स कहते हैं, एक टोकरी होती है जिसमें फूड आइटम्स को पैक किया जाता है, फूड आइटम रखे जाते हैं, खाने का सामान और बर्तन वगैरह ये सब रखे होते हैं। तो अब वो किचन का सामान पैक करने के लिए रह गया है टोकरी। तो हैरिस कहता है कि अच्छा, अब ऐसा है कि 12 घंटे से भी कम का टाइम रह गया है हमारी जर्नी में स्टार्ट होने में, तो ऐसा करो कि तुम रहने दो और मैं और जॉर्ज करते हैं। हैरिस और जॉर्ज, इस काम को हम तुमसे बेटर कर सकते हैं और तुम रुको और हम करते हैं। तो जेरोम जो राइटर है वो एग्री हो जाता है, वो बैठ जाता है एक जगह, वो कहता है ठीक है करो फिर। और वे दोनों बहुत ही खुशी खुशी, बड़े लाइट हार्टेड स्पिरिट से, लाइट हार्टेड स्पिरिट मैंने बड़े खुश होकर के वो कहते हैं कि हाँ ठीक है हम करते हैं। और वो दिखाते हैं राइटर को कि देखो हम कितने अच्छे तरीके से कर सकते हैं। और राइटर कहता है मैंने कोई कमेंट नहीं किया, मैं केवल देख रहा था उनको काम करते हुए। और वो कहता है कि जॉर्ज तो एक्सेप्शन है, एक अपवाद है, लेकिन हैरिस दुनिया का सबसे खराब पैकर है। मतलब हैरिस जो है पैकिंग कर ही नहीं सकता, सबसे बुरा पैकिंग करने वाला है। जॉर्ज तो एक्सेप्शन है, वो कर सकता है। तो राइटर कहता है कि मैंने जब वहाँ देखा बहुत सारा सामान फैला हुआ, पाए प्लेट का ढेर है, कप हैं, कैटल है, बॉटल है, जार है, पाइज, स्टोव, केक्स, टमाटो, बहुत सारा सामान, किचन का सामान वहाँ पर है। और वो कहता है कि अब देखो अब क्या होने वाला है, कुछ एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है। और फिर ये हो भी गया। एक्साइटिंग हुआ कैसे होता है, वो कहते हैं, राइटर कहता है कि उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया पैकिंग करना। सबसे पहले तो उन्होंने कप तोड़ा, कप को तोड़ने से उन्होंने शुरुआत करी। ये जो पहली काम किया उन्होंने, तो कप तोड़ा। उसके बाद उन्होंने बाकी काम करने शुरू किए। और बाकी फिर कि वो क्या कर सकते हैं और ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड होने वाला है। हैरिस पैक्ड द स्ट्रॉबेरी जैम। फिर हैरिस ने स्ट्रॉबेरी जैम की बोतल टमाटो के ऊपर रख दी। पहले नीचे टमाटो रखे और उसके ऊपर स्ट्रॉबेरी जैम की भारी बोतल उसके ऊपर रख दी। अब बोतल रखने से क्या हुआ होगा आप समझ सकते हो, टमाटो पिचक गया और वो पूरा पिचक के उसका जूस बाहर आ गया। फिर उनको चम्मच से वो बैग के अंदर से निकालना पड़ा टमाटो जूस। उसके बाद जॉर्ज की बारी थी। अब जॉर्ज ने क्या किया कि उसने अपना कदम, अपना पैर बटर के ऊपर रख दिया, बटर के पैकेट के ऊपर अपना पैर रख दिया। तो क्या हुआ होगा आप समझ सकते हो। फिर उसके बाद राइटर तो टेबल के किनारे पर बैठा रहा और केवल उनको देखता रहा और हंसता रहा। और उनके काम को देख करके आप देख सकते हो, इधर यहाँ सीन में देख सकते हो कि ये राइटर बैठा है और ये बटर के ऊपर इसका पैर है। उसके बाद वो राइटर जब वहाँ बैठा रहा, उनको देख के हंसता रहा, तो वो बड़े नाराज़ हुए और थोड़ा चिढ़ने लगे। और राइटर कहता है कि इससे वो नर्वस भी हो गए, कुछ एक्साइटेड होने लगे और वो चीज़ों के ऊपर कभी पैर रख देते, कभी चीज़ों को अपने पीछे रख देते और फिर उनको ढूंढते कहाँ गई कहाँ गई, और चीज़ उन्होंने अपने पीछे रखी हुई। तो ऐसा ही वो पैकिंग कर रहे थे। और उन्होंने पाइज़ को, पाइज़ जो होती है एक बेकरी आइटम होती है, जैसे समोसा होता है, आप जानते हो बेकरी में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, मफ़िन होता है, पेस्ट्री होती है, पाइज़ होती है। तो ऐसे ही एक समोसा टाइप चीज़ होती है पाई, उसको नीचे रखा और उसके ऊपर भारी भारी सामान रख दिया और वो तो स्मैश्ड हो गई, पाई अंदर ही पिचक गई। और इस तरह से फिर उन्होंने क्या किया कि नमक की बोतल, जो नमक जिस बर्तन में था वो पलट गई, सारे सामान के ऊपर, पूरे बैग में नमक ही नमक सब जगह फैल गया। और राइटर कहता है कि मैंने ऐसे दो आदमियों को बटर के साथ उन्होंने जो कुछ किया ऐसा करते हुए कभी नहीं देखा। क्या किया वो सुनो। और फिर जॉर्ज ने क्या किया कि वो उसने अपना पैर जब उसके ऊपर रख दिया था बटर के, तो उसके स्लीपर पर चिपक गया वो बटर। फिर उन्होंने वहाँ से हटाया वो, फिर उसने उसको कैटल में डालने की कोशिश करी और वो कैटल में जा ही नहीं रहा था। फिर बाहर निकाला, फिर उन्होंने उसको बटर के पैकेट को उन्होंने कुर्सी के ऊपर रख दिया और हैरिस उसके ऊपर बैठ गया। कुर्सी के ऊपर बटर का पैकेट रखा और हैरिस बैठ गया। सोचो क्या हुआ होगा, वो पीछे से उसकी पैंट पर चिपक गया। और अब वो बटर के पैकेट को ढूंढ रहे हैं सब जगह, कभी इधर उधर सारे रूम में। और वो कहता है मैं कसम खा सकता हूँ मैंने इसी चेयर के ऊपर रखा था। जॉर्ज कहता है और हैरिस कहता है हाँ हाँ मैंने भी तो तुम्हें रखते हुए देखा था, अभी अभी तो 1 मिनट पहले मैंने देखा तुम्हें रखते हुए। और फिर वो पूरे कमरे में घूमते हैं, कहाँ गया बटर का पैकेट, कहाँ गया कहाँ गया। और फिर वो सेंटर में दोबारा आके मिलते हैं, फिर एक दूसरे को घूरते हैं और कहते हैं बड़ी एक्स्ट्रॉर्डनरी चीज़ हो गई, बड़ी असाधारण चीज़ हो गई, कहाँ गया, अभी तो यहीं था। हैरिस कहता है सो मिस्टीरियस, बड़ा रहस्य है इस बात में कि ये पैकेट कहाँ गया। फिर जॉर्ज उसके पीछे घूमता है, हैरिस के पीछे जाता है और देखता है कि बटर तो कहाँ अटका हुआ है। वो ज़ोर से चिल्लाता है, वो कहता है कि अरे ये है, ये तुम्हारे पीछे अटका हुआ है ये पैकेट और हम सारी दुनिया में ढूंढ रहे हैं। और हैरिस कहता है कहाँ है, घूमता है वो, गोल गोल घूमता है, उसको दिखाई नहीं देता। जॉर्ज उसको रोकता है, उसको चिल्ला के वो कहता है कि एक जगह खड़े रहो, गोल गोल मत घूमो। और फिर उसको उसके पीछे से वो उसको निकालते हैं पैकेट को, फिर उसको चाय के बर्तन में रख देते हैं। ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आज का ये पैराग्राफ यहीं पूरा होता है और कल इस स्टोरी को आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे, आगे क्या क्या होता है। ठीक है, और इसके बाद इसमें क्वेश्चंस होंगे, कल भी मैंने आपको इस प्रीवियस वीडियो में क्वेश्चंस दिए थे, एंड नाउ आई एम आल्सो गिविंग यू अगेन सम क्वेश्चंस and you can do some questions like the fourth question, what was Jerome's real intention when he offered to pack? You can do it. And fifth question, what did Harry say after the bag was shut and strapped? Why do they why do just a minute, why do you think he waited till then to ask? You can write the answer. What horrible idea occurred to Jerome a little later? And where did Jerome finally find the toothbrush? So simple questions. Why did Jerome have to reopen and pack bag? Why? And what did George and Harris offer to pack and why? Okay, so you can do these questions, so from 5th to 9th. Okay, so it is your homework. You can you write these questions. Okay, so it is your homework, today's homework. So okay, it is the end of today's video.